Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with some Happy Mail from Miss Sheila, who is Country Girl First Crafts on YouTube. And I've uh, trimmed the envelope open, and here's the contents. And first I see this envelope, so we're going to open this one first. That's a beautiful card. Oh look, it's on a frame with Tim Holtz people. Cool. Okay, I read this offline. And she sent a little something here. It's a little tag that she made, which is cute. Look at that. And it is true to color on camera. I like that. Okay. And in here, we have, ooh, some scissors, a door, anti-contact tool, and I had talked to her about giving me the die cuts for this, but she says she's not going to use it, so she was sending it to me. I want to thank her for sending it to me. It's greatly appreciated. And let's open it up and see. It is a fireplace with a fireplace die with a little fire die, and it looks like one of the dies might have fallen out, or let me see. The fireplace, the fire, the stocking, the candle, the garland, the lights. There's one piece missing. I'll have to contact her and let her know. So this is embossing, but you can also probably use it for a die cut. So I will work on that and put that in my die cut, my die binder. Let's see what this is. This is a touch-free to avoid contact with shared surfaces. Easily attaches to keychains and ooh. So we're gonna undo. Oh, and it's gold. Okay. Thank you for that, Miss Sheila. And then she also sent me a pair of scissors. Whoops. It's Fiskars. They're good scissors. I have a whole bunch of Fiskars scissors. So Miss Sheila, thank you for the gift. I greatly appreciate it. And it will be put to very good use. So I will see you all in the next video. Please be crafty, stay crafty. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Be kind, be loving, be caring, be safe, stay safe. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.